Finally, we could made it to the if statement, which is condition checking. Okay, so in programming languages there are three main parts. Okay, the conditions, loops, and functions. So if statement is under the topic of conditions. This is very crucial for programming. Okay, in some cases we need to check the result and some conditions. So if it is true, then we will run some code block. Then if it is not, we won't run it. Okay, it is not so hard or complicated. It is quite simple. Let me show you how to do that. So for if statement, basically we are typing if, then our condition will be here, then the code block. If this condition is true, then we will run this code block here. If I say 1, okay. In C language you can say true, in other languages you can say, but for true you are typing 1. Okay, and have I am inside the condition block. Condition block. Okay, now when I run this code, the only thing, inside the main function we have this, and the one, this condition is here, it is checking if this is true, it will run this code. So 1 is true, so we will see this text. Hopefully I expect to see. I'm running now, I'm inside the condition block, but if we say this is false, then this won't run. Yeah, as you can see, it doesn't go inside the code block. Okay, but of course this is not the way we will define the condition. There are many things like 12, not 12. Okay, this is also not convenient or the ideal way. 12 is equal to 12. This is also condition, right? So this is true, so it will run again, but it is not equal to 13, so it won't run. Also you can say 12 is less than, yeah, this is true, so you can see. I'm gonna give you an example much more useful. Let's say we have grade. Grade is, now it is 99 out of 100. Okay, so if the grade is, let's say, I'm gonna comment this, maybe you might wanna use, or you might wanna see again. Let's say if the grade is between 90 or 100, 90, if it is greater than, grade is greater than 90, we will say you got A. So if it is greater than 90, we will say you got A. Okay, run. You got A. If it is 90, 33, this time we couldn't get A, but we can define other numbers for this, other letters, A, B, C, D. We could say, like, if it is greater than this time 30, 33 is greater than 30. Let's say you failed. Once. Okay, you got failed, or you failed. What if it is 90? Again, let me show you something. If it is 95, so grade is greater than 90, so you got A, right? We expect to C, but there is some bug here. Okay, we need to solve. So basically, if you one by one you write, you check all of them, if and if under each other. Okay, so it will check all the conditions. Okay, it is checking if the grade is greater than 90. Yes, true. So write this, then the code is going on. If it is greater than 30, so also run this, but we need to see, we need to prevent this. If one of the condition is true, we shouldn't check other conditions. So there's a solution for that. We will say else if. Okay, so now they are working together. If one of the condition is true, it won't check other condition, else if. But if you don't put else here, it will check all of them. So this time the greater grade is 95, so it will check if it is greater than 90 or not. So it is true, so it will print you got A. But if one of them is true, it will not check others. Okay, so let me run this time. You won't see you failed. I'm running. You are ready, right? You got A. So this time it is not checking this. So let's make it more official. You got B for 80. For 70, let's say of course C. D. E, there is no D. Okay, otherwise else. You failed. This is the default. You can think like this is default value. If none of them are correct, if none of the conditions, if code doesn't run any of these, so this will be the default value. Okay, else. For that you are just typing else. Okay, so when I run this code, what I expect to see, the first one is true, so we will see you got A. Let's say our grade is 55. 55 is not greater than 90, is not greater than 80, it is not greater than 70, or it is not greater than 60. So it will come to the default value, which is you failed. If I don't put this, we won't see anything because none of the conditions are true. Yeah, else is the default value, keep in mind. So I think that's enough for this video, and it wasn't so hard, right? that this is the if statement, and these are very crucial in programming. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.